Ja. Touch. What was this, like a pub? Oh, oh, no trophies. It's no pub, I think. An old oil burner, I think. Oh, it's really slipped.
Be careful because I don't think this place is safe.
No, it's very decayed. No bottles. I wonder what year that is, would it tell you?
Oh, mate.
What is the stuff on the floor? Ooh. Ooh.
So cool.
What is it that's on the floor?
Hey, this is so cool. It's just dirt, mate. It's just oil and dirt. So much stuff in here, you know. It's a mess, but there's a lot of stuff.
It's so cool, like the old plates. The old cooker. Old Starburst ice lolly fridge.
Oh, mate.
Haha. These are. So we just drove past this. It's just a wee roadside find. It's a very decayed old pub. The dish is still in the rack. What's that? Cutlery. Oh. This place would have been so cool back in the day. Chef jacket. Nature. (2004). In 2004.
How random this is. Look, a pram, an old cloak, somebody's shoes.
Aye, people's made setups.
You got through there, mate. There's all sorts of shit through there.
Aye, people have had setups, so other explorers must have been here. Oh, that is so cool, the old wooden mirror.
All that stuff, yeah. Just be careful.
Magazines and stuff.
For some dates and stuff.
I found a paper for 2004.
Somebody's birthday card. What?
Oh, pictures.
How's your...
No sure if they maybe wanted to renovate it or something, like with the old book and then like the tiles and stuff. Found family photo, like albums.
Yeah.
But I don't want to touch them, they're so fragile.
I hear punched it there, G. Mate, find a fucking... Find that what? Damn, I see 3rd April the 1st, but I don't see the year.
Yeah. I don't see it. I don't see the date on that one.
I can see April 1st, but there's not on the year.
Doesn't it tell you the year? That's strange.
Yeah, I've got a date here. Mate.
Uh-huh. Wow. I doubt you open that. Open the freezer.
Open it like a guy will just pop his head out.
Is that a big freezer there as well? Why it is? Ugh. I am 49, birthday boy.
Watch.
Ugh, the stink.
Aye, look, did you see all that?
Oh, aye.
It's a good shot.
Tenants. I'll get some photos. The old ashtray.
Yes, you know what, obviously this was I bet you any money this was like a beer garden. Oh look. Look. I bet that was a beer garden.
Oh,
and
it must have been.
The roof came in. Look.
Aye, I think that would have been like a seating area. I think.
No, it doesn't go far back.
No, maybe no. An old hand as well. Clock.
Good shot.
Aye, somebody set it up. There's a pram for at least the 90s.
It'd be really good to go up the stairs, you know, because there's shit up there.
Is that?
Well, the stairs are there for a reason, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
It just looks like an attic.
Aye, just be careful.
There, man.
Oh, look at the nature in that
Watch
the
here,
window.
here. Watch that socket, these things are collapsing, mate, watch.
Oh, the door. The decaying the nature is really nice.
Right here.
Not yet. We've been in here. Oh, there's like the fridges.
You're bang on, by the way.
Oh, we have been in there. Sorry.
You're spot on, look. Something now under renovation. You're fucking
Yeah,
bang on,
that's
mate.
a shame because obviously they've not went through with it. Oh my gosh, I've just fell through the flare. Don't go here.
Oh, there's mate.
Oh, there's no books. Just careful because I've just fell through the floor.
Is there's a dining room and that here and here.
Wow. Shame I can't even see what the books are. So fragile, I can't even turn the page. Blind tiger. Oh, floors are crumbling. Oh, the dining room, more stairs. Oh wow. You been in here?
Just watch.
There's a high chair.
Silver cross and also decent neck.
Aye, Silver Cross, that is so old. If anybody knows how old this Silver Cross high chair is, say it in the comments. This stuff is ancient. Maybe the 90s, I'm not sure. Maybe before. If you know, let me know. A blender. Coffee, little coffee machine.
So that's a bit we came in.
Oh,
In a circle.
is this the old menu?
Blues, Chardonnay, isn't it?
White wines. Quite a lot of trophies lying about. Have you been in that room?
Yeah. No.
Look, the wee brush there for the fire.
Have you been in that room?
No. Oh, we've been in here, right.
Aye, so that's usually what we came in with. So it's just a circle, just on a full circle.
I'll go and check that wee room, I think. Still nice to see all the items left.
Toilets, but good decaying here, man.
The curtains.
The roof and that's in your filter. That looks healthy.
Aye, so they must have go to Renan.
Southwest on A815.
Oh, the wee plant.
Good few spies.
Past saving. Oh, don't tell me.
State what?
Oh. I'll get some pictures in a minute.
See that shot alone? See that?
Yeah. Changing that. Boat left outside the old pub. Can't really see much of it though. What a waste. sad that it's just been left to decay like that. And eventually nature will take over. Half the floors have already caved in. So I think the owner was going to renovate it, but never completed it. Who knows?